Hello, welcome back to Remote Hustle HQ. Happy Friday. Today I will be going over more data entry and data entry clerk jobs. Today I would like to share with you a website that we will go over different data entry roles and opportunities that are actually just, mainly data entry. Usually with data entry jobs, you're going to be doing data entry plus something else. For a lot of these jobs, it's not just going to be data entry, but these roles that I'm sharing with you today will be majority just data entry along with maybe some customer service, but mainly entering things in a computer or some kind of software. So I want you guys to check out this website. Now, with this website, remotejobs.io, it helps you find remote jobs. Now, with this website, you do have to pay a fee. They give you 2 plans. I'm not sure if it will allow me to show the plans because I already got my plan. And so I do have an account. And so, but the one I chose is just the trial one, and so I recommend you try the trial, see if you like it. The trial is $2.95 for 14 days, and then after that you will be billed $23, or you can pick the other plan where they bill you $75 for the whole year. But I recommend you just trying out the trial to see if you like it. But this platform, remotejobs.io, they help you find remote jobs, and they help you find in different areas. And so they have here that the top companies hiring are these companies: Zillow, Google and Yeti, and Amazon and DoorDash. And so it's not going to let me show you the price, but you can go to the website yourself. And so as you see, I have an account. I'm just doing the trial, but you can put in what you are looking for. I was trying to show you guys all the different types of jobs that they have, job categories. So they have customer service, developer, virtual assistants, accounting, data entry, and then if you push the see all button, it goes into more details about different job searches and different things. So they have a section where you can work anywhere or work anywhere in the US. So you can have opportunities to work global if you want to on this website. Part-time, 100K jobs, entry-level jobs, and they just have all kind of things that you can search, and that it'll be all remote, and they provide the company. Now, when you go on this website, unless you have an actual account, it won't show the company. So the jobs that I'm sharing with you all today, I'll just share with you all the company if you don't want to, get an account. But this is all the different areas. And so today I'll be going over data entry roles and exploring that with you all. So you would just click on that, and there's other ways to get the data entry roles to pull up. I know that I had some pulled up for you, but as you see, it pulls up all the data entry type roles, and they're all remote and work from home online. And these are the different companies. So as I go over a few of the data entry jobs with you today, go ahead and note the company, and I will try to put the link, but I know that remotejobs.io may make you get an account in order to actually open their link. But if you take note of the company that is hiring, maybe you can just go to their website. But I will go ahead and try to give you the website to the actual company that remotejobs.io is saying that you can get hired at. With that said, I had my screen already pulled up on some job leads for you. With remote jobs, I did click on this one. This one is with a company called ONESTREAM, and they are hiring for a data entry team lead. The salary is $50K up to $65K annually. They have great health benefits, and so it says that you can work for this particular job anywhere in the US, and so you definitely want to check this out. You know, with a data entry lead, you might be the main person, you know, leading the team, entering information. So let's see what they are wanting. And in this category, it tells you the category: data entry, data science. So you'll be entering data science and data analyst. And so let's go into more details about this job lead. It is full-time. It says that it's in the category of sales, and you can remote anywhere in the U.S. And it says remote in the U.S. on Eastern Standard Time or Central Time zones preferred, but you can remote anywhere. But just note that these are the time zones that they are basing the times on. Again, we went over the pay, and it says this applies to U.S. candidates only. And so we already went over the benefits, and it says about the job. With ONESTREAM, they're looking for a data entry team lead to provide operational excellence with integrity, efficiency, and availability of data. And they're looking for a team player. They are looking for someone that has strong critical thinking skills, passion for details. Most of your data entry jobs are going to say passion for details because you're entering data and they want you to be accurate. So if you're the type of person that like to do quality assurance of your own work and you pay attention to detail, then data entry roles are for you. This one in particular pays well, but a lot of your data entry roles are going to pay at least $18, $17 an hour. This one is saying, because it's in sales, it's $50K to up to $65K. So I just wanted to point that out. Also, the other responsibility, it says overseeing multiple task assignments with deadline, and you'll have minimal supervision. And I'll let you guys read the rest, but they are mentioning this role is responsible for creating, implementing, enforcing new data policies to cleanse Salesforce records and have deep understanding of various data sources to logically monitor data quality. And it says this role will support and closely with the various business stakeholders. So you'll be working with other teams and other people who are working on the same project to do this data entry. And so your primary duties, it goes over that. You'll oversee data quality. You'll oversee the stability of internal day-to-day sales support. And you're going to do ticketing. It says you're doing sales support ticketing on the ticketing queue. And so you're going to be, writing up what the problems are and writing that up and putting it in a system for it to be ticketed and handled. And again, it's saying you're working with different key stakeholder, which is just a team of people that have high ranking, and y'all all work together to have clear communication on different projects. And so as the data team, it says that you'll do daily tasks in regards of Salesforce. It goes over in a different various things. So like I said, with data entry jobs, they always name it data entry, but of course you may do other things. Sometimes it's very rare to find jobs where you're just entering data, and so as you see with this position, you'll be doing other things for this software company. It's called ONESTREAM, and it's a ONESTREAM software company. And so I will leave the link for this because when I hit apply, it does go to the actual website. And so I will give you the link to this. Now, I don't know if the link will work for you because you don't have an account. I'm not sure. But I will leave the link for the actual company because I believe that's how it will work. Now, remotejob.io, they make you to get an account in order to see what company is hiring for, whatever job you're looking for. So I'll leave you the link for remotejobs.io in the company website if it allows me to do that. And I will have that in the description below. But this is one job that you may be interested in. Go ahead and look at this and apply if you're interested. This next company is with is for a data entry role. It says that this role starts at $25 to $27 per hour, and it is part-time hour. They posted this on April 2nd of this year. It's with a company called MYKELLY. And so if you're interested in this, I'll leave the link for MYKELLY if it allows me, like I said, for the company actual page. And I noticed MYKELLY had a lot of different jobs also, so you definitely want to check MYKELLY out is the company name. Right now they're hiring for a lot of look like tutors for remote jobs. They also offer United States and Canada jobs. They have an area for you to put remote, so you definitely want to check this out. They have all kind of different types of employment types. So if you're looking for part-time, they have that, temporary, direct, and temp, and so forth. And these are the different areas. And so you want to maybe check their company out as well for this data lead. And so going on to this job position that I'm sharing with you, I'll leave this information below, but it pays pretty good, but it is part-time. It is based out of Florida, and it says it's in the category of data entry, data science, and typing. So you'll be doing some information for science and data entry and typing. And I noticed when I was looking over this before sharing it with you, they said this is a great opportunity. Like if you're a student who may be going into the science field, this is a great opportunity to, you know, kind of just get some experience with this data entry role, because you'll be dealing with pharmaceuticals and science. And so this is a pharmaceutical job, biotechnology job. This is an entry-level position. It says it's a temporary job, full-time. And they said that they want you to have a bachelor's degree, even though it's a bachelor's level. So when they saying that, they may be willing to hire you without a bachelor's degree because it is an entry level. So just apply if you feel like, hey, I'm interested, but I don't have a bachelor's degree. I always encourage people to apply because there's been plenty of times where I didn't have the experience and I was hired for the job anyway. And so this is just a data entry role. It is remote. All these jobs are going to be remote on this website that I'm sharing with you. So go ahead and just maybe get your account, try it out. Now, I don't get anything for promoting this website at the moment. So if you want to check it out, check it out. But this particular job is with a company called MYKELLY Data Entry, and it goes into the details. It says this is a data entry role for one of our scientific clients in Florida. This is a short-term contract for 2 to 3 months, possible extension. And it's a great opportunity for recent or soon-to-be graduates to get experience in the scientific field. And that's why I was saying that. And so you don't have to be a student to apply to this. They're just saying if you are in this, a student is in pharmaceutical or biotechnology, this will be a great role for you. And they prefer if you are a soon-to-be student in the scientific role. So that is it, and you'll be doing a lot of data entry. It says data entry and some research. You'll be supporting implementation of new system for a supplier quality team. You'll support data entry for Viva Vault, some type of company or software. You'll load data into loader sheets that are sent to the third-party vendor. And so this one is more like a more easy, not so much to do. It is part-time. So if you're interested, they want you to have good typing skill, know some Microsoft Excel, and bachelor's degree highly preferred. So again, there it is confirmed that you do not have to have a bachelor's degree, but they prefer it. And associates or soon-to-be graduate candidates are considered. So if you're a soon-to-be graduate student in that field, or if you feel like, hey, I just need a part-time job for 2 to 3 months for a side hustle, this is a job opportunity for you. Go ahead and apply. I'll leave the link for this company, MYKELLY, for this data entry role, which is paying $25 to $27 per hour. This next one that I'm going to share with you is looking for a data entry specialist. It's with a company called CALSTART, and they're going to be paying you $25 to $27 per hour. This one is also a part-time position. It is in the same field of data science, so you will be dealing with things in the science area. This is 100% remote, but I notice it says based out of California, and you can remote anywhere with this position. This one is 100%. It is part-time, and it'll be the same thing, but with this one you're doing some more data entry. With it says library assistant in creation and development of new SharePoint website and CRM data entry from Excel spreadsheets into Salesforce. So this is in the sales category, sound like. And so you definitely want to check this position out. I'm not going to go over it. I'll leave you the link for it. But it looked like you'll be dealing with a lot of SharePoint information and entering that into a data. But this is definitely a data entry role where you're entering a lot of different information into Excel sheets and different platforms and softwares and computers. And so with this, they want a bachelor's degree in any field, 1 year experience of data entry, Microsoft SharePoint Online. If you have any experience with Microsoft 365 app like Word, Excel, and all of Microsoft, Teams and things on that order, then they encourage you to apply. You manage time well. You have good verbal and written communication. And this is the pay. We already went over that. And that is it. And so I would leave you this link for you to apply. When you hit on the link and you have an account with this, it'll just go straight to the company for you to apply. So I will leave you the link for this direct job. So let's go over one more, and that'll be it for today. But I will come on and share you different data entry roles and different jobs from this site, and share the information with you if you do not want to get an account. Next role that I have for you is with a company called Cetera. It is on the remotejobs.io website. It is for an entry-level Line 2 IT security control tester. And it says this is a data entry position. It pays $60K up to $65K. It is full-time. It is based out of California. And it also says that it is remote. This is a remote position based out of California. And so with this one, there will clearly be some data entry duties out of this role as a entry-level Line 2 IT security control tester. And so let's go over a few key words and key things that you'll be doing. This kind of just give you the background. They're a technology, financial company and financial industry company. And so I'll let you guys read that. But it says, as in this role, you'll play a crucial role in evaluating and enhancing the effectiveness of our internal controls related to financial reporting and compliance. So you'll be helping with compliance relating to their financial reporting. You'll do some work with the team to do internal audit and compliance teams. You'll be working together for that. And you'll be responsible for testing and validating security controls to identify control design gaps, control operating effective gaps and vulnerabilities, assess risk, and ensure organizations' adherence to industry standards and regulations. So this is like a compliance-like job. You'll be helping them to do reports and test things. And so I'm sure with this position, they would give you training. And I did notice with this position, they did want you to have a bachelor's degree. This is some more detail of what you'll be doing. You'll do IT control testing related to financial reporting and compliance. And you'll do some audits for internal controls and financial reporting and compliance. So you'll be dealing with financial reporting and financial reviewing and making sure they're up to policy and procedures and things on that order. And so you're going to have to be able to document for this role, clear and concise, it says, of your findings and collaborations. You'll be working with a team and collaborating with different departments and teams and people on this project. And you'll do risk assessment and continuous improvement, and they give you the details on how you do that. But a lot of this is just compliance, reviewing, documenting, and entering data. That's what you'll be doing with this entry-level position. So if you know you have compliance, data entry experience for this, then put that on your applications. And if you know that you have clear, concise documentation experience, then put that on the application, and also update your resume to match some of what they are looking for. Like I said, with this one, they want you to have a bachelor's degree in particularly technology, finance, accounting, or related field. And it says if you have a strong understanding of internal controls, financial reporting, and compliance, they encourage you to apply. They want you to have knowledge of industry standards for this role, excellent analytical and problem solving skills, affecting communications and interpersonal skills, detail oriented with high level of accuracy. And like I said, with data entry roles, they always want you to have high level of accuracy, and you're good at pointing out and entering accurately. So that is what they are looking for. This is what they prefer, which means you do not have to have it, but they do. If you have it, it's a plus. This is the pay range, and they have great benefits. And this kind of goes also into what they are about as Cetera Financial Group. They're a financial company, and I will let you read that on your own leisure. So I will leave this on the jobs again in the description, so make sure you guys check that out, and let me know if you're going to become and try this remotejobs.io out. Leave it in the comment, or say I applied to one of these jobs, and let me know if you get an interview. Let me know if you get the job. That is all, you guys, that I have to share with you today, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great weekend, and look forward to you in the next video.